Alright guys, let's go for a ride. Car's cold, I just started it up. Let's get it out on the street, see how she does. I want to say I heard it whining a little bit on startup, but it is awfully cold today. So we'll give it that. Just take it out and get her warmed up and see how she acts. Right now I got full forward gear, no jerkiness. I think I'm taking off from the stop sign just fine. Went from first to second, no problem. A little bit of a jerk there from first to second. I don't think we're taking it on the highway. I just don't think that's happening. But we'll run it around the neighborhood a little bit. See if I can get her speed up on one of these side streets. Okay, I'm in third. There's that grinding. I could feel it in the brake pedal. Still got full forward gear. A little bit of jerk from first to second there. Let me see if I can get a little speed here. It's got great acceleration. Definitely feel that I don't know how good you can hear it, but I could feel it in the brake pedal. Okay, we still got full drive. There was no jerk there from takeoff. There is a jerk from first to second though. I'm feeling that pretty much every time. All right, let me come to a full stop here. We got a good grip there. Yeah, first to second's really jerky. I don't know, should we take it on the highway? Might be kind of a long video if we do. Definitely some jerk there. Hearing that grinding now. I might take it on a short stretch of highway. I don't want to get too far away with it. But so far so good. Let me go to neutral. Back to drive. It engaged right away. Yeah, boom, it's right there. about up to operating temperature. Full grip, it is not slipping. Oh, there it went. I hit it right there and it wasn't there. It took a minute for it to catch up. Now let's go into neutral. It's there. Moving. I'm gonna get on the highway just for a minute just to get it up to speed and just see how it acts. 60 miles an hour. See if we got overdrive. Or I guess I should say fourth gear. Can't do that on the city streets. It jerked there. See, it's starting to do that thing where it's delayed engagement. See, now that we got it all warmed up, it's starting to act up. Let's just jump on a highway here real quick. See how she runs at 60. Oh, I just lost it. I got no fourth gear. It tried to shift into fourth and I lost it. There it goes again. And that growling noise is really high pitched now. Yeah. I'm losing it big time now. That fourth gear is there. I'm giving it some gas and I'm losing it on the tack. That roaring. Let's see if we can climb this hill. This is a really steep hill. want to stop anyway. Here we go. We got no jerk that time. Really rough from first to second. Every time it's been rough from first to second. And I just lost it there. So it's definitely doing some slipping either in third or fourth gear. First and second seem to be okay, although you got that jerkiness going on. So I think we're definitely going to pull the tranny, change it. You know, we could check the pump and everything while we're in there. But somebody mentioned in the comments, probably just best to throw another transmission in it. I'm not gonna, you know, I've watched several videos on overhauling this thing, and there is so much shit in there. I just don't feel comfortable doing an overhaul. I don't have that kind of expertise. You know, that's why transmission work costs so much. If you watch some videos on what's involved, I mean, to me, pulling the tranny out is the easy part. Watching that guy put that transmission back together is just something else, man. It is. It's a million-piece puzzle. So, I think we're going to try to locate a good used low-mileage transmission somewhere. And we'll just swap it out. We'll take a look at the condition of the pump, all the shafts and stuff as we get everything laid out on the floor. But I don't think we're going to be rebuilding anything. I think we're just going to use it as a reference, just to see if we can see what went wrong, because there's definitely something wrong in there. Let's go from neutral to drive now. Engaged right away. Let's see. Let's go down to first. Good. Second. It's there in second. Third. Still there. I wanted to say I took it for another test drive just so we could see if that takeoff jerkiness is still there. I'm not feeling that, but I'm definitely feeling a range of other issues. Let's see if we can get it back to the garage, and then we'll start taking it apart. Before I put it up on jack stands, I'm going to take out the all the stuff under the hood that needs to come out, the air box and the throttle assembly, all that crap that needs to come out. It's easier to do that with it being wheels on the ground. Once you get it up in the air, it's a little harder to see it just jerk there a little bit. But I gotta say, I can floor it and it goes. So it's not first gear slip, I don't think. I think it's the pump, or it's the stator support in the torque converter. I don't seem to have that extra little torque that the stator support's supposed to add on takeoff. And like somebody mentioned in the comments, the fluid's been contaminated. It was black. There's no point in putting a new torque converter in it with the condition the fluid was in, because it might run another 5,000 or 10,000 miles maybe, and then you're going to have bands going out, and clutch packs are probably toast. So we'll find a good used transmission, and we'll throw it in. I wanted to take a look at it after I just ran it. We were out for about 20-30 minutes. Something like that. Yeah. It's actually pretty clear. Although on the rag it looks kind of... But on the stick, geez, I can't even see it. I mean, it's there, but it's pretty clear looking. I guess that is about the right color. On the rag, I guess the rag just makes it look a little darker, but I know the engine should be running right now, but I just wanted to just take a glance at it. We're going to drain it anyway. We'll let it cool down a while. It's red hot right now. And we'll come out a little bit. I'll remove everything up top that I need to remove to get down to the transmission bolts before I put it up in the air and start draining it. And while it's draining, we could be taking the tires off, the calipers, the disc, you know how it's gonna be a bitch. It's all got to come apart, and you know, we're doing it all with ratchets and wrenches. I don't have any impact tools or anything like that, so we're going old school. So stay tuned.